welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is NessacxBeauty. Today's video is a really exciting one because it's in collaboration with one of my closest friends here on YouTube, Krystal Ryan, and her channel will be up here in the cards and linked down below. So this year we're each other's Valentines, and this is the Valentine that she sent me, and she has the Valentine I sent her, and she's unboxing it on her channel as well. But what we agreed upon was sending each other a palette that we think would create an awesome Valentine's Day look. So I don't know what's in here. She don't know what's in her box either. So that just makes things funner and more special. And having this box in front of me is crazy because I'm like, Krystal has touched it even though we've never seen each other in person. But before I get into unboxing this, I'm gonna let you guys know that I have a giveaway going on, and Krystal has a giveaway going on as well for Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery boxes, and both giveaways will be linked down below. So if you guys want to win free makeup, check it out. And without further ado, I'm gonna open my Valentine. And the first thing I see is pink. Pink.
I'm nervous. Why am I nervous?
So there's a card and it says Nessa. So I'm gonna read the card first before getting to everything else. So crazy party of two with little girls wearing makeup. That is so cute because that is so us, considering we're both beauty channels. I hope you love your presents. I added something extra that I've been wanting you to try, and I hope you love it. Happy Valentine's Day to the most amazing person. I'm so glad I got to be your Valentine so I could spoil you with gifts because guys suck and you're amazing and beautiful, and I'm glad we're friends. Love you always, Krystal. I'm not gonna cry. Okay, I hate you for that. Raw and uncensored. There's a whole bunch of Reese's. How do you guys say it? Reese's or Reese's? And a teddy bear, guys. I'm like crying. Krystal, what the hell? Ugh, I hate you. But I love you, so it's okay. Fudge. I think this is the palette. I'm so bad at opening gifts, guys. But you can't shoot this second time, so sorry, packaging. I think I've definitely told her that I wanted this palette, but I didn't want to spend the money on it. So she got me the Friendcation palette. And then, I don't know what this is. Oh, we talk about this too, girl. The Precision Brow Pencil. I told her how much I hated the Brow Boss, so she got me the Precision Brow Pencil, and I've never tried this one at all. I love you. I'm about to eat all of these chocolates.
Look at all this chocolate. If you know me, you know I am a chocolate fiend. So all of these chocolates will be gone within today. So Reese's, however you say it. And a lot of kisses.
So, Krystal, you have made me cry. 1, happy. 2, and just super grateful that you're my friend right now. And I hope that my package incites the same feelings that your package is inciting for me, and I cannot believe you got me this palette. So I guess I should go on to, you know, doing my look, right? I'm so excited. So I did have my brows on, but I took them off because she sent me the Precision, Ivory, help me out here, Precision Brow Pencil. And I've never tried this product, so I'm excited to try this out. Automatically, I do like it way better than the Brow Boss by ColourPop, which is the other eyebrow pencil that they have. Oh my gosh. Like right now, the Brow Boss would be breaking, but this one went on nice and smooth. Krystal, thank you. I was literally not even gonna spend money on buying this because I have so many brow pencils, but thank you. I knew I was missing out on something when everybody was raving about this. Now on to the star of the show, which is the palette. And I'm just gonna go in with my blending brush from Anastasia into the shade Girl Bye, which is the pink shade. Because you know, what's Valentine's Day without pink? This is just gonna go all up in my crease. After placing that shade all over my crease, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. contour brush into the shade Cheens, which is the dark brown, and placing that in my outer corner. Then again with my Anastasia blending brush, going into Girl Bye and blending those two shades together. Now I'm just gonna cut my crease using my Olimar Cosmetics shading brush and my P. Louise eye base. Then we're gonna use a really nice shade. I think this might be my new favorite gold in my collection. So thank you, Krystal. You know the deal. Looking up, getting that outline for our cut crease, and then tapping it in. Then with the packing brush and the Anastasia dual ended brush, I'm going to be going in with Just a Kiss, which is the gold shade I was just referring to. This shade is stunning. Then with my Olimar flat brush, I'm going to be going back into Girl Bye and outlining my cut crease, so we can have a little bit more definition up in here. And then in order to blend the gold into the brown, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. contour brush again and just stippling it on to where the gold meets the brown. And finally just blending the top out with no added product with my Anastasia blending brush. Now I'm just going to add my liner and my face, and we're going to move on to the inner corner and my lower lash line. We are back with our face beat, and I actually used this shade right here, Girl Bye, as my blush, and I am obsessed. But we're just gonna go into our lower lash line. We're not gonna do anything crazy because we are gonna put glitter on our inner corners. So what I wanted to do was put a little bit of the Girl Bye shade in the middle third. And gosh, this shade is pigmented. And then this shade right here, Churro, on the outer third. I was not ready for that, but I guess we'll just have to blend a lot. I just put so much down. Alright, so that's a little bit better, and I'm just gonna do that on the other side too. That's how it should be. Also, like, people think delicate and soft when they think of Valentine's Day, but I think full beat or nothing. So that is why I chose to go full glam for my Valentine's Day look. And now we're just gonna put glitter on our inner corner, and I'm gonna be using the Midas Cosmetic Mixed Glitter in Kiss Me, and shh, don't tell Krystal, but I sent her a few glitters myself, and I can't wait to see what she does with them. So now I'm just gonna take my NYX glitter glue and a lip brush and coat my inner corners. And then I'm gonna go into Kiss Me, and the cool thing about this glitter is that it has little heart-shaped glitters, so I'm gonna try to get a few of those and coat them into my inner corner. Lastly, for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Rouge Signature in I Create. And the fun fact about this is that I bought Krystal I Create as well, and I sent it to her, and I wrote her a little letter asking her to put it on. So we'll be matching in lip colors, and I'm excited for that. So this is the final look that I have created using the Friendcation palette that Krystal got me for Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys like how it turned out. I am currently obsessing over it because it looks dainty but glam, and that's definitely what I wanted to go for. Thank you so much, Krystal, and all of you guys watching. Don't forget to check out Krystal's channel. Don't forget to check out Krystal's giveaway. And don't forget to check out Krystal opening my Valentine's gift to her, because I can't wait to see that video myself. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for supporting me and watching my video. And I hope you guys all have great Valentine's Days, whether you celebrate it or not, because I usually don't. Krystal's my only Valentine, because, you know, according to her letter, guys suck, and I definitely agree. But that's a video for another day, and I swear it's coming. So bye bye until next time.